Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to download and install Parallels Desktop on your MacBook. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. First of all, open your preferred web browser. Here I'm gonna open Google Chrome browser. And now you have to type on the address bar parallels.com. On the home page, hover over the Products menu and click on Parallel Desktop for Mac. Now click on this Try Free button. On the other hand, if you already have a license, you can choose Buy Now. So normally I'm gonna choose this Try Free button. And now here you have to provide your email address. After providing your email address, you have to check this box to agree with their terms and conditions. And now click on this Submit button. Now press on this Download Parallels Desktop. And here you will see that an installer file will be downloaded. Click on it. And you will see an interface like this. Normally double click on this button. Click on this Open button. Click on this Allow button. Press on this Accept button. And here you will see an interface that it is downloading some files. And after downloading all of the files, you can run Parallels Desktop on your MacBook. But you can use it for a limited time because we are using now a free trial version. And now you will be prompted to enter your password or your Touch ID. So I'm gonna enter my password here. So normally we have to download this Windows 11 version and click on this Continue button. And after clicking on this Install Windows button, it will download some files and you can easily use your Parallel Desktop. So here you can see that the file size is 4 GB. After downloading it, you can easily use Parallels Desktop on your MacBook. So that's all about today's video, how you can download Parallels Desktop and install on your MacBook. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.